Oh, hey guys, what up? In today's video, we're gonna be repainting one of my old paintings. We're gonna paint over it, give it a new fresh coat. Wow, so cute. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the plan. We're gonna brighten up the eyes, the nose, the mouth, get those ears popping. We're gonna enhance the fur, gonna make that banana pop. Let's jump straight into it. Let's pick our colors. Burnt umber, ivory black, Prussian blue, cadmium red, Windsor orange, sir. Just a little bit, sir. Cad lemon, ultramarine pink. Beautiful. And last but not least, titanium white. So this is our lineup of superstar colors. It's like the whole rainbow. And now it is time to paint. Final brush stroke and finished. Dun 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 dun. Looking good, Puss in Boots. We worked on the banana, we darkened the fur, we added more contrast, we brought in some highlights, some nice thick paint onto that white fur. Really emphasized the texture of that cat. Its little tongue is sticking out. It's having the time of its life with this banana on its head. It is living the dream. Okay, it doesn't worry about anything. It doesn't care what's going on. It's got a banana on its head. It's living its best life. So now we're going to do a comparison. But before we do that, I want to show you the aftermath. The devastation on the palette. Look at the colors. Look at the mess. Look at the chaos. So here's the comparison. Which one do you think is better, guys? Leave a comment down below. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. We will do even cooler things, I guarantee you. You won't believe it.